If you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from. And in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo maka the book, Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie Ezanumba the First, Metal of Ebona the 103.5 FM. There is a great insight in hip hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonya, or at Ebona the 103.5 FM Ogidi. You go to www.amazon.com, search for Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie. For further information on how to get this book, please call 080-3916-7049 or you WhatsApp 080-6579-6599.
Sir Biko, for the sake of the audience again, can you state your name, Sir Biko?
My name is Chief Innocent.
Okay.
EZENNIA, Chairman of Onitsha Market.
Yes. All over the easy. Maka I so get aware the congestion of the market and what they go governor Kubeloku illegal structures, Kewapugasia and all of that. Kayemelo and the Baija, the one very stubborn about in maintaining.
That is people for you. Even this world will change. And then the mother
okay.
Governor there is a lot of change in Anambra. Follow the local and the way that market number one, they carry out. Other people are not on the
okay.
So that's why I am be there from the first 2 years. I am to I can see the project that Johnson. Okay. Right at the market road. Which twice in the drive by the back. Most of the chairmen, and I have those people now block that middle. That's why you were busy and the chairman over here. They watch them the data.
Okay.
Just like the time of the general market, so I can see a strike here.
Okay.
Just like when the person
okay.
But illegal okay. That's why the time data. You watch at the tables and then because the soil is there. And the Shona. That's right. That's Johnston. Now like Yaga. They see but I buy and the paddle, not the person.
Okay.
That's what we introduce.
Okay. Yeah, so in the process I chopped up and the Mogasina shops, they were very happy about it.
Yes, the market is celebrating over it.
Okay.
You got that. Because farm I have memory.
Okay.
Whenever I want to move, I move but then I
okay.
Or I can command that the whole incentives. Okay.
Okay.
You got that. Even natural progress, even natural informer.
Okay.
You got that. As far as the governor is concerned, he's there to deliver and we are here to deliver.
Okay.
We are just in the same problem the governor here in the market. Because I made the market I think that Anambra the government. I made the market Anambra State and the government. That's why we are living by example.
The main market is always a model. Like under your own administration, Kansifopa is always a model. But it has not by that same drive. Kejuwe more formal when it comes to taxation na the market.
Yes. IGR main market but when I come up here as the chairman, I want the local rules, even the Maduna, the basic government up, we go there and wake them up.
Okay.
And wind up the whole fund, the whole IGR, then it's on our way and
okay.
IGR boss.
Okay.
That is why Governor Jade happy with the market all the time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, other areas now, like some of the challenges in when your leadership now, in try in the future now.
Yes.
Okay.
A lot of the transformer.
Okay.
And down around there, they never will open the street. Instead of the traders buying as well, I bet you I have a system around with all. We can make it any street that they have. Meaning I'm dark, I talk, I was. So after I got this, I will write to the government. Then, which I am ahead with the meeting. I can release there 3 more transformer.
Okay.
So that's it. I don't use my one to choose on the way we make it do one and the trailers in the market.
Okay.
And again, that's why I am happy. Okay. This is a problem I did.
Okay.
Yes.
If you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from. And in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo maka the book, Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie Ezanumba the First, Metal of Ebona the 103.5 FM. There is a great insight in hip hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonya, or at Ebona the 103.5 FM Ogidi. You go to www.amazon.com, search for Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie. For further information on how to get this book, please call 080-3916-7049 or you WhatsApp 080-6579-6599.
One guy.
case sustain one of this congestion now or to estimate so far.
Thank you. What I have wished of men before
Yes.
Or the last one, I sustain. I can after I'm the Chinese they watch us some of them I have mandated them to maintain the structure. Because if you look at force, when we get there, I go to them. We will go and mandate the vigilante that they are free to ride. No matter what class order, which have something that road, without the border, must be maintained in the market and the value. That is our stand.
So, and that can like this kind of drive from time to time. Okay. Oh God, yeah.
So I may ball out, so I may put up a line. Okay. That's just in the passage. So that when they put that one there, goes up, a line, we will go on. Okay. Without which truck, or it's hospital, or
okay. Yeah.
So there I just in the street, just in the center of the market.
Thank you so much for speaking with us, sir. I like Lolo in our logistic and all of this, sir. Mana now, the
come back.
This whole thing, Kedo Kisia also aligns with the governor when it comes to e-horchon and email markets and all of that. Everything email goes so far. Kedo Kisia align.
Governor, special advisor to the governor on markets, which is Soba.
Okay.
Soba, which governor Basara, the traders, and they relate to him.
Okay.
And I guess as I know, we go to the communist governor. Because I have the president of the governor.
Okay.
Watch that fire service truck.
Yeah. Okay.
A lot of things. I want to say that all governor. Okay.
Okay.
So a lot of things.
Okay.
Just like who's selling the Jamaican market. I bet they go through the social advisor to governor markets.
Okay.
So if I go out, my Niger Street, Street to Ochanja.
Okay. Okay. Told you this.
Special advisor to the governor of markets then also in Alga, which behind the push is market to DMDS and the road.
Okay. Yes. All the free by you can. So, EZENNIA, I can again. Thank you so much for speaking with us, sir.
Gracias.
If you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from, and in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo maka the book Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie Ezanumba the First, Metal of Ebona the 103.5 FM. There is a great insight in hip hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonya, or at Ebona the 103.5 FM Ogidi. You go to www.amazon.com, search for Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie. For further information on how to get this book, please call 080-3916-7049 or you WhatsApp 080-6579-6599.